Ano yan the evidence will take you where it will take you. It's hard to make a comment unless the evidence is there. But the investigation will always lead to somewhere that, to some people who will be culpable. And we don't know where it will lead us right now. Ano pa lang yan The revelations are fresh, and we're checking on everything.
Kahit sino pa po ito.
Wala naman tayong magagawa kasi nandiyan na yan Evidence na yan Tsaka, we are trying to be as transparent as we can be. Kasi nga, ano na to, this is already an issue close to the hearts of Filipinos. Hindi ko naman kinuha yung opisinang to para magtakip para kahit kanino. I didn't get this office for that.
So suffice it to say, sir, sa ngayon, wala pang ebidensya na posibleng humantong sa Malacanang, si Presidente?
Wala pa akong nakikita sa aking mga mata. Pero kinakailangan, pag-aralan lahat yan.
Sir,